So the first thing I like to do is the base of my makeup look, and that base would be Avoir Super Stay Mattifying Powder, Full Coverage Poreless SPF 25. So this is the powder I'm going to be starting my no makeup look with. So I'm not going to be using any primer or whatever. I like what it's looking like, right? It looks like my natural face. Like no one would even know that I have powder. I'm going to spritz down the makeup with this fix spray. The next thing for me to do would be blush. So I'm going to use blush just because I want a little bit of pop to my face. So I mostly always use a powder blush. So this is a powder palette that I have. That's a random powder blush palette. So I'm just going to be going for a very natural tone. Just something. So I'm going for this one. And I'm just going to try and dust it off away from my hand so it's not too much when I'm applying it. I'm just going to apply it to my cheekbone so that I'm like popping up a bit. So that is okay for me because I can see it's already popping a bit. The next thing I'm going to be doing would now be my eyes. So now I'm done with my skin. I'm actually not doing too much to my skin, but can you see that I'm already popping? Like it's already giving like natural, but I'm glowing, I'm looking good just because of blush. The power of blush is amazing. So I'm going to leave it like this. I feel like I'm good with my skin. If I want, I can do a little bit of contour, but I feel like that's doing too much. I feel like I'm okay with what I'm looking like. Let's go to my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm just going to shade out my brows. I'm not necessarily drawing my brows. So I'm just going to be doing just a little bit of, just to make it a little bit longer. So brows is completely optional. Like if you do not have full brows naturally, you can just want to touch it up a bit. But if you do, you can just leave it and use like gel, like a brow gel to just make sure that your brows are looking good. But just touch it up a bit if you want, right? It's not necessary. So for me, this is what my brows are looking like. I just touched it a bit, just a bit. You can see that it's looking minimal. Like it's not looking too much. Like it's not looking like I drew my brows or anything. So we're just going to be leaving it this way. So next thing would be lashes. I would use a mascara. Now that I've applied mascara, I'm literally contemplating whether I should do lashes or just something like this. Because for me, this is already nice. Like we could go out like this already. Do you get? Have any natural looking lashes, so I'm not going to be using lashes in this video. Most of the lashes that I have, they're usually out there, so I think I have to get that. But so for me, I think I'm good like this since I wasn't able to find a lash that would actually complement my natural look. So just going to be doing the lip and just doing lip liner and gloss, and we're good. I'm going to look for a particular shade of lip that kind of suits my natural look. So I'm going to go for something nude, obviously. A tiny bit on my upper lip. Yeah, so having a good lip combo is so important when you're trying to achieve a natural look. So I'm just going to be applying gloss on you. Now that I've done my lip and every other thing, I'm good for this makeup look, right? This is like a very simple makeup no makeup look, and I love it. Like looking at myself in the mirror, it looks so seamless, it looks natural, it looks simple, it doesn't look like I have too much going on. But this is my own go-to no makeup routine: powder, blush, mascara, just touch up your brows a little bit, and lip gloss, and you're good to go. So guys, if you love this look, you know what to do. Comment down in the comment section, let me know what you think. Let me also know what kind of videos you guys want to see from me going forward, and please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. And if you like this look, recreate it and let me know what you think. Okay, but for me, I love it. Like, it's very simple, and I can use this to go out, and not a lot of people would even notice that there's something on my face. Do you get it? All right, guys, bye.